Skeng, wife, kids, career, net worth and future unveiled. Yo, what's good? Welcome to a blazing deep dive into the life of Skeng, Jamaica's rising dancehall star. Before we dive in, please smash that subscribe button and hit the bell to stay locked in for more artist profiles. Today, we're uncovering Skeng's personal life, career highlights, net worth, and what's next for the Gvnman Shift hitmaker. Let's get started. Born Kevon Douglas around 2001 in St. Catherine, Jamaica, Skeng grew up in a large family, exposed to reggae and dancehall from a young age. His rebellious teen years saw him move between schools like Sen Simon Basic, St. George's College, and Wolmer's High School for Boys, shaping his gritty, independent style. Inspired by the Vybz Kartel-Mavado rivalry, he began recording in New Kingston in 2019, launching his dancehall career. Skeng's personal life is low-key. He's in a relationship with Ossia Miller, known as Bibi, and they have two children, Kevon Douglas Jr., born before March 2023, and a second child expected in September 2023. Skeng shared heartfelt glimpses of his firstborn on Instagram, at Skengdon_official1, showing his softer, dad mode side, contrasting his tough musical persona. His career skyrocketed with the 2021 single Gvnman Shift, followed by hits like Brrp, Street Cred, Protocol, and Talibhan. Collaborations with Nicki Minaj on From Trini, 2023, and Likkle Miss boosted his global profile. Skeng's music blends raw street vibes with party anthems, addressing social issues and relationships. His 2023 feature in Minaj's Ruby Da Sleeze video and a 2025 New Rules Festival performance with Alkaline in Trelawny highlight his rising star. Despite a 2022 arrest at Norman Manley Airport for disorderly conduct, he was released on bail, maintaining his momentum. Skeng's net worth is estimated at $0.5 to $1 million as of 2023, earned through music, streaming, 853K monthly Spotify listeners, and tours like his 2024 Guyana Real All Black concert. His income reflects his growing influence, though he keeps a modest lifestyle in Kingston. Looking to 2025, Skeng's trajectory is upward. His New Rules Festival appearance and collaborations with artists like Burna Boy suggest more international projects. Queen Ifrica's 2024 warning about his beef with Valiant underscores the need for peace to sustain his rise. Skeng may expand his brand with new music, tours, or entrepreneurial ventures like merch, solidifying his dancehall legacy. That's Skeng's story. What's your favorite track? Drop it in the comments, and subscribe for more.